How to download Instagram Reels videos on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can download Instagram Reels video on Telegram. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Instagram in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now from here you have to select the reel that you want to download on Telegram. Tap on the reel icon. Now choose a reel. Now if you have your preferred reel, tap on the share icon and you can copy the link for this reel. So tap on copy link. Once you have copied the reel or the link for this reel, now you have to open up Telegram. And here make sure that you're logged in into Telegram as well. From here, tap on the search icon at the top right corner, and here you have to type in Instagram Saver. Here, tap on Instant Saver option. So once you're on this boot, you have to type in start and you have to paste the link that you have copied recently. Now once you send this link to this boot, it will reply you back with the reel that you have copied recently from Instagram. Now you have to tap and open up the reel, and then if you wish to download it in your gallery, tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner and then simply tap on save to gallery. So that's how you can download Instagram Reels video on Telegram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.